Coming up here to record the outro, guys, and what a surprise. The turtle has done something stupid again. Hey guys, how the heck are you? I hope you're doing great, and I hope you're having an awesome day. So, today we are heading out to another Cars and Coffee, hosted by the Little Speed Shop, and I'm super excited because it's a super nice day out, and there should be a lot of people there. As you can see behind me, the drift car usually sits right about here, and it's missing because I'm taking that to Cars and Coffee today, and I'm going to get it out and drift it around in the parking lot and stuff, so that should be pretty cool. So, I don't know if you guys know or not, if you've seen any other car videos that I've done, usually I'll have like a 2 or 3 minute edit of some of the cool stuff that's there, and then you guys get to hear all the cars and everything that's there. So, let's get right into today's video. Hope you guys enjoy and stick around till the end. Let's get right into it.
It's cool to do it when it's dark.
Yeah.
Physics norm.
Everyone else had a hatchback, 5-row.
Alright, right now we are heading out to the field, taking the dogs for a walk. They are very excited, running around having a good time. See what happens. Come on, boys. Ferguson. As you can see, we have Phineas over here being a cow as usual. Just eating grass. He's a cow dog. Ooh, Ferguson, sneezing. So you gonna go eat some more? Get out of here. Cow dog. Phineas is going at his own pace. Gotta go catch up to him. Going fast, Finn dog. Look at that, it's all like burnt and dead stuff. Crazy. It's been so hot and dry here lately. Right? He's so fast, but he's so small. Look at him go, he's gone. It's all the way down there. Not stopping. Oh, now he's pooping. Phineas. Finn. There's nothing in my hand. Ready? Where's he gonna come out? What a goofy dog. Phineas, come! Come here. Oh. He's getting into trouble down there, guys. Ferguson, you come! What did you eat? Did you eat grass? That's what you get. You vomit when you eat grass. Guys, Ferguson... Oh boy. Ferguson, come! He just ran around the corner that way now. I'm 100% guessing he's gotten into something. Got Phineas over here just chilling in the grass. Alright, come on, Finn, dog, let's go. Let's go find out where the turd went. Phineas, where did he go? Where'd he go? He's probably already at the house. He got fed up with being out here. I'm gonna show Phineas the fort. I don't think he's seen it yet. Come here. You coming here? It's the fort. What do you think, Finn? What do you think of it in here? You like the fort? Oh, there's bugs in my face. What is your opinion? I'd say you like it. You look happy. Now we gotta find your brother, who's acting like a turd, as usual. I think Ferguson ran all the way to the house because he's stupid, but I don't know. Coming up here to record the outro, guys, and what a surprise. The turtle has done something stupid again. Constantly has been moving her rock in the wrong place, and I haven't even put it back up on the wall yet because she's just been doing stupid stuff like this. But then she still sits on it, expecting to get the light that is on the other side of the tank. She is here, the light is all the way over here. What are you doing? You are very silly, and you make a lot of noise splashing. Alright everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have train tracks on my face, and it looks really weird. I'm not used to it yet, but I guess I'm just gonna... Okay, good, my mic's on. I thought it was off. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope all the car enthusiasts enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have a moment and you watch this far through the video, share with your friends if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next week. Bye guys. Have a great rest of your week. I'll see you next week.